Hello, I am going to walk you through a tutorial on how to use Google Books Search. So as you can see on my screen, I am at the Google Books website. I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm just going to type in Algebra 1 textbook since I teach algebra, and I'm searching. Prior to this class, I did not know that this existed. I think this is one of my favorite things that I've learned. One thing I like to do is I like to go into the tools and I like to search for the free ebooks. I'm also going to go to Anytime and I'm going to click on the 21st Century, and I like to see what I have. This is a benefit because I know in my school district we are not ordering any new books, and like here's a CK12 basic algebra book. It is free, and this could be a resource that my students or my colleagues and we could use. Something else I'm going to search is SAT. And I'm going to go back into tools and I'm just going to select any type of book, and I am going to do 21st Century again because I want things to be relevant. The document, it does not matter. I have books and magazines, and again you can see a list of different SAT prep things. Here's an SAT prep book. There is no ebook available, but you could check it out, look at a couple sample pages, and kind of go from there. So this is definitely a good resource. So I went to SAT under the tools here and I clicked free Google eBooks, and there are many different applications. And then of course there's some that have nothing to do with the SAT, but you'll get that in any search. So using Google Books in the search, we can clarify what we're looking for. We can specify, the time period, if it's free or not, books, magazines, and you can kind of go from there. Another thing that I found with the Google Books is if I go to settings, and there's a whole list of things here, I'm going to go to advanced search. And in the advanced search, you can see that it will obviously do an advanced search. So if you want to put in, it says, find things with the exact phrase. So if we put in SAT, I want to do all books. We could look at the Google Books if we wanted to. We can look at any language. I'm going to stick with English because I do not know any other language. And then we could, change our results here if we wanted to, and then we can search again. So it's another way to kind of go in and to specify what we're looking for.